Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Chrome ready. Open Settings and check about Chrome so the browser itself is up to date. Once done, close extra tabs and disable extensions that might block downloads or the Roblox installer. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that will download the installer because permissions and download history matter. Now navigate to the Roblox site or the Chrome Web Store entry for Roblox to begin the update process. This gets you directly to the necessary installer. You will click Play or Install on the Roblox page, which triggers Chrome to download the Roblox installer, exe. When Chrome prompts, allow the download and keep the file instead of discarding it. Rejected downloads are a common failure point. Once the exe is in downloads, right-click and run as administrator if you see permissions roadblocks. This ensures the updater can write to program files. Follow on-screen prompts. The installer replaces old files and updates the client in place. After installation, restart Chrome and launch Roblox to confirm the update completed. You should see the current client version when you enter a game. If it fails to launch, reinstall the installer and temporarily disable suspicious extensions that might intercept downloads. Make sure your antivirus or firewall isn't quarantining Roblox. If it is, whitelist the Roblox executable and rerun the installer. If problems persist, clear Chrome's cache and downloads list, then try the installer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.